If you want to insert a SIM card or SIM cards into Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone, because over here we can find our SIM tray. Now in here we need to use the SIM eject tool, which you can find inside the box, and we're gonna put it into this SIM tray hole in this side, on this side. And once you put it in, you want to apply a little bit of pressure to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. It's gonna slightly pop out, and then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. Once you remove it, we have our SIM card slot or slots. In my case, I have dual SIM actually. So you can put your SIM cards into their slots. So let's see. And also I can recommend you holding these SIM cards with your finger. Even if you just have one SIM, if you try to put it back into the phone afterwards, you might lose the SIM card accidentally, because the slot is really loose and it's really easy to drop SIM cards. So be careful. And of course, we're gonna put the second SIM card in here. There we go. And as you can see, we have two SIMs inserted into the SIM tray. Now we need to put it back into the phone. So we're gonna slide it back in with our finger. There we go. And make sure that it is inserted properly, that it is all the way in. It is inserted all the way in. If it stays out even a little bit, you want to probably fix your SIM card or SIM cards, because they might be inserted not properly, so you want to adjust it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.